blustery day at the old Castaic Lagoon here. Overcast. Lake's closed the boats today. A little spinnerbait action. Might be a perfect day. A little spinnerbait. Got a little thumper tail, 6-inch, little stinger hook on there. Yeah, chaser. Oh, it's a giant, freaking giant, on the underspin. Freaking giant. Yes, let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Woo. Oh my god. Yeah, sucker. Holy crap. Woo. Check him out, guys. Hammered it. Oh man. All right, guys. Yeah, underspin. That's exactly. Come out in this weather. Gotta give him a quick wait. Out here. Three-pounder. Look at that beauty. Beautiful 3-pounder, guys. Chunky monkey. Alright. Oh. Get out of here. Yes!